Hello Junior 3, hope you are all fine. Today we will start a new chapter in our new book. Let's read the title together. Making a Stronger Me. Okay, how can I make my body strong? I can make my body strong by eating healthy food like fruit and vegetables, drinking water, and playing sports. What about my brain? How can I make my brain stronger? By reading, writing, learning, and studying. Today we will talk about a very interesting thing, which is life skills. Before we start our lesson, let's talk about the word skills. What's meant by skills? Skills are things that you can do very well. Like what? For example, if you can draw very well, so your skill is drawing. If you can play football very well, so your skill is playing football. If you can write very quickly, so your skill is writing very fast. So drawing is a skill, playing any kind of sports is a skill. So skills is something that you can do very well. What's your skill? Let's talk now about life skills. What's life skills? Life skills are the positive behaviors that facilitate the challenges of everyday life. So life skills are skills that helps you to deal with people, but skills is concerning personal things you are good at. But life skills are concerning you interacting with people. In this chapter, we will talk about 6 different life skills. First life skill we will talk about is collaboration. Let's repeat it together. Collaboration. Again, collaboration. Collaboration means sharing and working with others in a team. For example, Karim is decorating the classroom, so Marwan will help him to do so. Second example, Selma's books fell on the floor, so Sarah will help her to collect them. This is collaboration. So collaboration means sharing and working with others in a team. Second, we will talk about communication. Let's repeat it together. Communication. Again, communication. We communicate our ideas and feelings through talking, writing, listening, body language, and facial expressions. Talking means saying whatever you want. Writing, you can write it on a piece of paper. Body language, like if you want to tell the teacher that you know the answer, you will raise your hand. Or if you are tired, you will put your head on the desk so the teacher will know that you are tired without you speaking. Facial expressions, if you are sad, you will have a frown on your face, and if you are happy, you will have a smile on your face. The skill we have is self-management. Self-management. Repeat. Self-management. Self-management means working on small goals to reach bigger goals. For example, you have a big goal to organize your room. So you will set smaller goals, like you will first organize your desk in day 1. Day 2, you will organize your bed. And the third day, you will fold your clothes and put them inside your closet. So we worked on small goals like organizing the desk, the bed, and folding clothes to reach a bigger goal, which is organize my room. Fourth life skill we will talk about is decision making. Decision making means to decide something, especially with a group of people. For example, during the break, you decide what you will play, and when you go and buy a new shirt, you choose between the red one or the blue one. Fifth life skill we will talk about today is empathy. Empathy is the ability to share someone else's feelings. For example, if your friend is sad because his pet died, you should feel sad for him and tell him that everything is going to be okay. Another example, if your friend is happy because he got the full mark, you should clap for him and be happy for him. The sixth and the last life skill we will talk about is critical thinking. Critical thinking means to slow down and think in different situations to get an answer. For example, if we are playing during the break and you saw two of your friends fighting, what should you do? You should think slowly. You can call a teacher so he can solve this problem. Okay, let's open your books on page 3. We will write the definition of life skills in the first 3 empty lines we have. We will write, life skills are the positive behaviors that facilitate the challenges of everyday life. Let's look at the next activity. We will put a star next to the things we are good at and a circle next to the skills that we need to improve. And improve means make it better. Let's read them. I am good at organizing my work and staying focused. If you are good at this, put a star. If you need to improve it, put a circle. I am creative and show my ideas in different ways. If you are good at this, put a star and put a circle if you need to improve it. Third, I find ways to solve my problems and help others. If you are good at this, put a star. If you need to improve it, put a circle. I can communicate my ideas in many ways. If you are good at this point, put a star. If you need to improve it, put a circle. It's usually easy for me to explain my thinking. If you are good at this point, put a star. And if you need to improve it, put a circle. I like to set goals to reach. If you are good at this point, put a star. And if you want to improve it, put a circle. I listen and respect others' opinions. If you are good at this point, put a star. And if you need to improve it, put a circle. Last one, I think about how others feel when playing or working together. If you are good at this point, put a star. And if you need to improve it, put a circle. Okay, open your books on page 4. Let's read the title, Using Critical Thinking Skills. So we said critical thinking is to slow down and think in different situations to get an answer. So look at the first image. What do you think the image is? Slow down and think before you answer. Excellent, it's a butterfly. And how did we know? What helped us to decide that this is a butterfly? Excellent, colors and the pattern. Look at the second image. What do you think this image is? Excellent, bee. And how did we know? Excellent, from the colors, the yellow color, the eyes, and the legs. The legs of the bee, the eyes of the bee, and the color. Let's look at the last image. What do you think this image is? It's a cloth, like your shirt. So how this helped us? The thread and the texture.